Hey guys. Wow, did y'all hear my stomach? I hope y'all didn't. Okay, so today we're making tacos, spicy Cajun shrimp tacos. Okay, this is a real lazy girl meal. Quick, easy, and straight to the point. Okay, I'm not gonna talk too much. This is mostly going to be a voiceover, but like I said, I always want to come on and say hello, see how you're doing, give you a little walkthrough of what I'll be doing. So I have my shrimp here, and I'm going to take the tail off. So the shell is already off, but they still have the tail on. Right, so I'm taking that off, and once I do that, then we're going to start prepping our quick Cajun shrimp tacos. Okay, I want to say thank you for all your continuous support. Make sure you let me know if you're enjoying these quick 15-minute meals, because the goal is to stay in your kitchen and not order takeout, because you know why? Yes, you know why. Cook your own food. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this content with anybody you think may need it. Okay? So yeah, let's get started. And okay, here's our ingredients. You have your peeled deveined shrimp, some Cajun seasoning, olive oil, tortillas, shredded cabbage, some avocado, and a lime crema. That's our sour cream plus fresh lime juice. So first you're going to season your shrimp generously. Toss them in a bowl with Cajun seasoning. I also added some lemon pepper. You're going to season your shrimp until every shrimp is coated. Do not be shy. That spice is going to be the star. Okay, so you're going to heat your skillet over medium high. You're going to add a splash of olive oil. Then you're going to lay your shrimp in a single layer. And you're going to cook your shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they turn nice and pink and they're not see-through anymore. Now, you're going to flip once and make sure you do not overcook your shrimp. You do not want to do that. Listen for that sizzle though. These are going to be really good. Okay, so it's time to prepare our lime crema. I have some fresh sour cream that I used, and I also used some fresh lime. I added about 3 tablespoons of sour cream into my mason jar, and then after I do that, I'm going to squeeze some fresh lime inside of the sour cream. And that right there is a quick, easy recipe to your lime crema. It's not much to it, as you can see. It tastes amazing. Once you get your lime juice in there, you're going to mix this all up, and it's going to make a nice consistency. And you're going to be like, oh, why haven't I been eating this with tacos? Like, how have I really been eating tacos? Like, look at that. Oh, it's going to be so good. Wait till you eat it. Wait till you put it on your taco. Heat your tortilla on each side. Then you're going to start to stack your avocado, your shredded cabbage. Then you're going to add your shrimp. And then you're going to add some cheese. And then you're going to add the star, the lime crema. Do you see that? Now, I did 3 different kinds of taco, meaning everything has the same ingredients inside, but I did different levels. So meaning I did one regular, just toasted. Then I did one medium, like a little bit more toasted than the regular, and then I did one really crispy. So the first one was regular, the second one is really crispy, and then this third one here is going to be extra crispy. And when I tell you that these came out amazing, these were amazing. Just me watching this making my mouth water again. These were so good. I hope you guys try this. It's a quick, easy, lazy meal. It doesn't take much to do. Look at that. Squeeze you some fresh lime. You got your lime crema on the side. Get you a bev. It's amazing. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Alright. So I did 3 different ways because everybody likes their tortilla a different kind of way. So I did like extra crispy, medium, and then regular. So the medium one went off. I shared it. The crispy and the regular is here. So we're gonna try it. Let me tuck y'all in real quick. Looking for a eater. I want some lemonade. Some lemonada. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but whatever. I'm thirsty. So we're gonna try the regular one This is what you call a 15-minute lazy gourmet. Better clock that. Clock that. Until next time.